1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kuna pa sila ng isa. Sabi naman 7. Alright, para sa ating nursery. Ready na rin mga nursery natin? Yes or no? Ready na yung nursery natin. English speaking ba yung nursery natin, ma'am? Oh my gosh, it's English speaking. O, pwede na ulit kayo maupo. Joke lang, nursery. Ano ba yan? Hindi naman ako na-inform. O, buti na naman, bawasan na ng isa. Alright, kids. Ayan, magpi-play lang tayo ha. Mag-e-exercise tayo yung may toes, may knee, may shoulder, may head. Okay, try natin. All together, okay? Get ready. My toes, my knee, my shoulder, my head. I had a headache na. One more time. Ready? One more na. My toe, my knee, my shoulder, my head. Oh, both hands. You're going to use your two hands. Two hands, ha? Ayan. We're going to follow Teacher Jewel, our Zumba girl. Parang Teacher Jewel. And you're going to translate yung sasabihin ko, okay? You stay with me. Can I have my tissue? Mag-nose-bleed na ako. O, follow Teacher Jewel, ha? My toes, my knee, my shoulder, my head. Ayan, Teacher Jewel, ako na ang PA mo. Ituturo ko na lang yung microphone sa'yo, okay? Ayan. Ikaw taga-English, ha? Okay. Ang wala pala ng ganito na pag-live. Nakakaya. Okay, listen kids, listen nursery. Okay, all you have to do, just, ayan, Tagalog muna, tapos Englishin mo. Okay? Ang gagawin natin kids, ayan, ituturo lang natin yung mga kamay natin sa mga sasabihin ni Ate Shalani na parts ng katawan. Translate! You will follow what Teacher Shalani will tell to you, ha? For example, you will use your two hands. So, Teacher Shalani listen to teacher. Teacher Shalani will tell, what body part will you going to? Ano, listen mo na kay teacher po. What body part will you going to point? For example, your, what is this? Your, this. Very good. This one.
Shoulder.
Then this one.
Head.
Okay, very good. Two hands. Okay, you understand? Ha? Two kids? Buti na lang dito ka. Kung hindi, baka umuwi na ako. Alright. Okay. This time ha, magkakamali out sa game. Ready? May toe. Put your hands on your toe. My knee. My shoulder. My head. My shoulder. Shoulder. Put your hands in your shoulder. Shoulder. Where is your shoulder? Shoulder kids. Very good. Okay. Oh. For example. Hindi, ano yan? Tawag yan? Excitement. Alright kids, nagkamali si ate, yung shoulder niya, tinuro niya sa head niya, ma-out siya sa game. Pero, this time kid, baby, practice pa lang yan ha. Okay. O, diba? Ang galing yung teacher. Bongga si teacher floor. O, this time may ma-out na ha. Drill na to. Ready?
Ready?
May toe, may knee, my shoulder, my head. My toe, my knee, my shoulder, toe! Kids ha, tatlo na lang nakakanggal. And natitira na dalawa sila na yung winners
Makinig ka
natin.
tayo, kids ha. Kinig ka.
Okay, get ready. Ready. May toe. Put your hands in your toe. Both hands. May knee. May shoulder. May head. One more. May toe. May knee. May shoulder. May head. May toe. May knee. May shoulder. Knee. Put your hands in your knee. Knee. Nagkawali si Dini. Bye-bye. Alright. Get ready. My toe, my knee, my shoulder, my head. Toe, knee, shoulder, head. Toe, knee, shoulder, toe. Toe. Yes, very good. Shoulder. Ay, bye-bye Alice in Wonderland.
Alice in Wonderland. It's okay.
Alright, last one. Oh, wag masyadong dikit-dikit.
Don't say bad.
Ready? May toe, may knee, may shoulder, may head. Toe, knee, shoulder, head. Toe, knee, shoulder, shoulder! Ay, baby! Bye-bye! At syempre, Captain America, and what is your name? Dave, congratulations!
Sabi kasi nakatingin, hindi mo tinitingnan sa amin.
Kung paano.
Yeah, wala ka prize.
Okay na yun.
Ito na si Dave, Jackie Captain America. Congrats! Congratulations! Nahirapan ako dun ah. Alright, for our next game, lahat ng Kinder 1, K1. Asan yung K1?